was a flight of 4 hours from Kolkata to Kuala Lumpur, and here we go. So it's almost 4 AM in Kuala Lumpur right now. Now we start our journey towards our hotel, that is the City Inn Secure Hotel. We are heading towards our hotel. As I said, it is the City Inn Secure Hotel, which is in the Jalanpuru area of Kuala Lumpur, and the hotel is of transit nature, so the prices are quite less, as we actually plan to explore Kuala Lumpur on our own, so we won't be staying much in the hotel. So we opted for a hotel like this, but it seemed to be good so far from the reviews that I have seen. Yeah, we have already checked in, and this is the view from our room. So you guys might be wondering about the room charges. It is 1500 per night. And now we are heading to the Chinatown area, which is very near to our hotel. And yeah, finally we are here in the Chinatown. This is basically a shopping area in Kuala Lumpur. The market mainly comprises of electronic appliances and some fancy stuff. Now we are going out towards the central market area. And here we are in the central market of Kuala Lumpur. Time for some refreshment drink and some cheesecake. This is a chocolate cheesecake. Just beside the central market, there is this Kasturi Walk area, which is also a place for shopaholics. Now we are heading towards Bukit Bintang by a monorail. Now this is the first view of Bukit Bintang area. Bintang is best known as the fashion and entertainment epicenter of Kuala Lumpur. You can see the buzz all around here. Can you see how crowded the area is? Like, everyone is so enjoying the atmosphere out here. I'm loving it. So this is a live music scene we just came across by the side of the street, and this Bukit Bintang area is just the right place to enjoy your nightlife in KL. It has everything in its store for you, like 5-star hotels, restaurants, a vibrant nightlife, and yeah, shopping malls of course. So it's a must visit. We just entered the Pavilion Mall, which is the largest mall in the Bukit Bintang area, and since Christmas was just 2 days back, you can see it's Christmassy all around. So this is the coffee shop downstairs, and now let me show you around. And yeah, as I said, it's a must visit area of KL. Please do come, you will love it. And yeah, finally we are in the pub street of Bukit Bintang. You can see these are all pubs. And yeah, I'm busy selfieing. Finally, time for some Iranian dinner. And of course, coconut ice cream. How can I forget it? We are heading back to our hotel. Day 1 ends here. And here it is, the famous KL Tower. We just got a glimpse. Hey guys, good morning from Kuala Lumpur. It's our day 2. Can you spot that cute hop on and hop off bus here? And you thought I will get into the bus? No, absolutely not. We decided to explore Kuala Lumpur on foot. So now we are heading to a spot called the River of Life. So accompany me till there. finally we are here at the River of Life. This is the spot of confluence of two rivers, the river Gombok and the Klang River. And this place is usually known as the birthplace of the name Kuala Lumpur. Now, the most beautiful part of this area is this misting fog being sprayed all over the river. Can you see this? This is actually done to give the foggy London effect. And here it's me. Now let me show you guys all around the place. This place is actually a very beautiful place for photo shoot. You can have some real good photos here. And so we did. Next destination. Let's see. Now we are walking towards the front part of the River of Life, and we have entered this area which houses the government offices of Kuala Lumpur, and this building block is one in whole, and the name of the building is Sultan Abdul Samad building. Now walking towards the main entrance of the building. This is the Independence Square of Malaysia. This is situated just in front of that Sultan Abdul Samad building. Now you can get a clearer view. This is also known as the Merdeka Square, or in Malaysian language it is Dataran Merdeka. This is where the Union flag was lowered and the Malaysian flag was hoisted. And yeah, one more information regarding this field. This is the field where the National Parade Day is observed in Malaysia. This is basically the venue for the National Parade Day. And I hope you guys are enjoying it, and if you do, please do like the video. We are here at the chicken rice shop, and it's time for some delicious lunch. Now the most awaited destination for the 31st night. We are just in front of Surya KLCC main gate, but we are at the back end of Petronas, that is the Twin Towers of Malaysia. So I can only capture the one of the towers right now. You can see it's dazzling in the night sky, and since today is 31st, the whole area is so crowded that we couldn't reach the front portion of Petronas. As you know, Petronas is the world's largest twin tower building, and yeah, we are here for the 31st night celebration. Here I am just attaching a clip of the celebration going on. This is what happened, what we got to see when we entered Surya KLCC, that is the mall. You can just imagine the situation here. Let me tell you guys, Surya KLCC is an upmarket retail center at the feet of Petronas, which features stores for luxury goods and high street labels. It also has an art gallery and an underwater aquarium. But the most important feature of the Surya KLCC and Petronas Twin Towers is the Sky Bridge. The entry fees for the Sky Bridge is Rm 80 for an adult and RM33 for kids up to 11 years of age. But it stays closed on Mondays. And yeah, you will obviously get a spectacular view of Kuala Lumpur from that very sky bridge. And yeah, that's a headband, that's a butterfly lighted headband. And yeah, you can see the crowd here. It's so difficult to focus the camera at one place. And yeah, this is the headbands which are sold here, and hookahs as well. It was very difficult to focus the camera at one place because people were like pushing each other, but still I tried to capture a bit of it. And that's when the celebration began for the New Year's 2019. So 2018 comes to an end, and yeah, it's time for us to get back to our hotel. Right now we are here at the Kuala Lumpur Tower waiting for our turn. And here I am at the sky deck of KL Tower. And this is the first view from the sky deck of KL Tower. This is so amazing. I am just running short of words to describe the view. I know this is just magical. This is just magical. Can you see those playgrounds? Let me show you all around. And here the entry ticket for the sky deck is RM99 for an adult, and yes, for observation deck it is RM49. And this KL Tower is a telecommunication tower at a height of 421 meters. It's the 7th tallest freestanding tower in the world. Just enjoy the view now. And that's the Petronas Twin Towers from the sky deck of KL Tower. It's just spectacular. I have no words right now how I felt at that point of time. This is one of my photos that has been taken in the skybox. Now we are here at the Birja at Times Square Mall of Kuala Lumpur. This is one of the cheapest malls of Kuala Lumpur and you can keep shopping here, so we kept it at the last day of our tour. So if you have liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe.